Hello everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. Today we have big news on Verde Agritech. As you can see here, it went up 16%. This stock has been doing very well and I expect it to go much higher. So what's the news? They released guidance for this year and next year. So take a look at this table here. And you can see here that they will have 700,000 tons of production, of sales. And you need to know that last year we only had 400,000. So that means we are almost doubling the sales, right? This is for 2022, and in 2023, we are going to double again from 700 to 1.4 million tons. So this is a high growth company. It looks like a slow growth fertilizer company, but that's not the case. This is almost like a tech company. It's going to double each year. So that's the first thing to notice here. And the second thing, when you look at the revenue to the EBITDA, then you can see that this has very high margins, 40% margins. And these margins are going to keep on increasing next year. Then look at the earnings per share. This is in Canadian dollars. So we have 0.5 earnings per share this year. And the price is at 3.22. If you do the PE ratio, then you divide 3.2 by 0.5, and that will give you around 6 PE. So that's fair value, slightly undervalued. But of course, look at the small letters here. This is based on a price of $500 per ton. The current price is around 800. So the PE of 6 is not the PE of 6. It's more like the PE of 3 right now, because we are almost at double this price here. So we are actually trading at a PE of 3. So that's an easy double already. Okay. This stock should be at double the price right now, just based on these numbers. But next year, of course, we double again. So it's actually a fourfold at the current price. And the market seems to have noticed it. Okay. Now, what can we say on the numbers? Let's go over some of the news on the fertilizers, because you think that the price would come back down to 500 from the current 900 price. But Yara just said that they would stop buying potash from Belarus. And we know that Belarus is providing 15% of the potash. So you can see here that Yara is now not going to get the potash anymore from Belarus. So it will stop around April. So that means there is still a lot of price pressure to the upside on fertilizers. April 1. And I think this is going to continue for the rest of the year, because Yara has just thrown in the towel. So this is a good sign. So Yara will need to buy this from other places, and this will push up the fertilizer price. Now you can look at the fertilizer price on the website of Verde. We are now at 935 real per ton. And if you do this times 6, then you will get to the 900 US dollars per ton. So yes, the current price is almost double the price that has been used to calculate this table. So it's looking very good. So let's take a look at the numbers. So I have a PE of 3. Market cap is 125 million US dollars. Potash price is actually around 900. So if we do our 5 times multiple valuation, then we get these numbers. So currently, this is the market cap, and we should have a valuation right now based on the 400,000 tons of 263 million. So it's already a double. But in 2022, we will go to 700,000 tons. And this will give us a valuation of 460 million. So that's already a fourfold for this year. As I said, this stock should already be a fourfold. And then we go to next year. This is next year. And next year we are going to use this number here, 1.4 million tons of production. And that would give us a valuation of 1 billion. Okay. So this is completely undervalued. And I think the market is not giving this the full value yet because there's only one reason, and that's the mining license. So we need the mining license to be able to increase the production to 700,000 and then to 1.4 million. But I'm hoping that this will come in a few months, and then we can go to here. So we are starting here at 120 million, and by next year we are going to at least fivefold. That's the prediction. Okay. Let's see what we have here. As you can see here, Belarus has a lot of production that is not online anymore because of supply chain issues. These are the links for the products that they sell. Keep an eye on the food prices. If food prices go up, fertilizer prices go up. EBITDA margins, we are at 40% now and then going higher. So EBITDA margins are at 40%, will go to 50, 60, and then 70%, 80%. So it's looking very good. We will get an update on the feasibility study later on. And as you can see here, NPV at 800 is 9 billion. So there's plenty of upside if you're willing to wait. We're still at 120 million. This can easily double and then triple and then quintuple in the coming years. So we are going to hold this. We finally got real guidance numbers. And the only thing we need to do now is wait. Wait for approval, wait for this revenue to be achieved. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.